devil supply the turpentine, serpent slide. Don't think your thoughts might revert to crime. Revolutionary, my 45s are 45s. Shoot vibes against the grain, we heard them cry, no need to lie. We in the bag smoking big shit, I felt the urge to call it prime. I saw them eyes, told my story in this broken time. Through coded lines, we spoke the culture notice, now we told the shines. A copious soaking knives from coke to rhymes. Take a dose, I woke the hive. War sign and sing for soldiers died. My soul's divine, I walk the great divide. You know the fly, we hold the grind. Notable quotes, my thoughts of freedom. You should fear an open mind, the opus lie. Moses asked architect to show him signs. Oceans turbulent like ocean tide. You a fluke, look, I'm not a dope. Bullets glue with Lucas shoot. No communication, I'm a Rubik's Cube. Unions through your ministry, your truth is devastated. I revelated, then the rebels levitated. I killed the devil, God celebrated my level greatness. My thought meditated, the pain inside this vessel faded. I was separated, rejoined, I left the station. Kevlar cased them slugs, no penetration. You were just a simulation, the world is just a sick location. Kiss a mason, your pedestal degraded. I call it ego assassination. Carbine pistol pieces be integrated, complete my apex. 1984 think crimes, your rap is playtext. Your church burns for your sins, now feast on this K-Tech. Existence erased, erroneous errors of person play pets. Shitting on your hero's own boy, that's not courageous.